High and low among the first leaves, the branches grow new flowers, and no bird keeps its beak or mouth shut, but instead shrieks and sings, each in its own way. For joy I have of them and of the season I sing, but love assaults me, harmonizing the words with the melody. I thank God and my eyes for it, because through their knowledge came to me joy which rightly kills and drives away the anger I felt and the shame. Now I rise up, no matter who broods over love of which I am true and steadfast. For with her who most delights my heart, I am bound with a firm cord. Mercy, love that you receive me now, it came late to me, but I take it gratefully, because if the fire burns inside my marrow, I don't want it to be extinguished, but by the customs I stay closed off to those who make grievous groans over another's joy. And I'd like to strike the cheek of anyone who disagrees with her. False love chooses the school, and a lover turns into a fool, who says that no speech pierces anything that breaks the heart of worth's custom, because he is shut out from what I greatly fear. And whoever leaps over words deserves to bite their own tongue. It's true that I love her and she is proud, but I break it with hidden joy. For since St. Paul wrote an epistle, nor any man in 40 years, not even Jesus, could do more to such a one, because in season the good qualities of her who is praised are at their highest worth and valor. Your guidance is the beautiful one who keeps me with her, who has me alone and I her alone, for no other in the world pleases me. Instead I am rough and a stranger to others, and my heart is pressed closed, but for her joy I leap and dance. I don't want another to comfort me, for it ARNAUT loves and says nothing, because love bridles my cheek, lest foolish boasting disturb it.